Here we're going to show you how to install a shower tray. In some countries you have to use a professional to install a shower tray. Also, additional steps may be required in order to meet local building regulations. Check whether this applies to you. We recommend 2 people to install a shower tray. Before you start, make sure all parts are included as listed in the assembly instructions. Now, place the shower tray where you want to install it. Then mark it on the floor. If necessary, cut a hole in the floor for the water trap. Use a spirit level to make sure that the floor is even and level. You may need to build a raised platform for the tray to sit on. Make any necessary adjustments to the wastewater pipes. Next, fit the bottom half of the water trap. Pour some water into it to test for leaks. The method of fixing of the tray to the floor depends on the surface and on local regulations. We recommend using cement to level the floor and fix it in place. Make sure to place the rubber seal before installing the shower tray. Place the shower tray on the floor and move it around to ensure that it is fully supported by the cement and that it is level. Now leave the shower tray to set for a minimum of 24 hours. Attach the strainer according to the assembly instructions. Then put silicone around the shower tray and leave it to dry for 24 hours. During this time, don't walk on it, get water on it, or attempt to install the shower wall and door. In some countries, additional steps are required in order to meet local building regulations. Check whether this applies to you.